Hi there, I'm Kristen and this is Scrap Fabric Love. So this little video is just to give you a little intro to me and my channel. If you've not been here before, nice to meet you. So here's what it's all about. I'm basically a scrap quilter. That's what I'd call myself. So I love using other people's quilting scraps, reclaimed fabrics, especially denim. I make lots of denim and scrap quilts. I love crumb piecing. I love improv quilting. If I can get away with not measuring and cutting things out ahead of making a quilt, then I will. But I do also sometimes like to be more precise. And when I'm in that kind of mood, I go for foundation paper piecing. I know that sounds finicky and intimidating, but it's actually just sewing by numbers. So it's actually really easy. So I design a lot of foundation paper piece patterns and collage quilting patterns. I'm not sure if you'd call those precise necessarily, but you're following a shape, so kind of. So I call myself a confident beginner. I've been quilting since 2020, started like a lot of people as a stress release during COVID, but I quickly got hooked and obsessed. So now I have a YouTube channel, I've got a blog, I write quilt patterns, and I even have an online quilt community called Scrap Club. It's like beginner friendly, judgment free zone. We meet on Zoom once a month. We've got casual sit and sew sessions also on Zoom. We've got group quilts. We do mini quilt swaps, and it's just a great group. So if you're looking for your quilty people, I would encourage you to check it out. It's a really, really nice little international community of folk. The one thing you're not going to find on this channel is me telling you what the best way to do anything is. I do tutorials, I do show you how I like to do things and what works for me, but I will often give you options. And for some people that's frustrating because they just want to know the one best way. But I don't believe in that. So I strongly, strongly believe there is not one best way to do anything in quilting. There's the best way for you, which only you can be the expert on, and the best way for you might not be the same every day. My mood changes. So sometimes I want to do things one way, sometimes I want to do it another. I want to give you the freedom to make your own rules in your own sewing room. It's your hobby. You don't have to listen to the quilt police or anybody else. You can do it the way that suits you. So we're not striving for perfection over here on Scrap Fabric Love. It's all about being curious, trying new things, seeing what happens, having a play. And I often say to folk, you don't have to be an expert to make beautiful quilts. You just have to get out of your head and try. Sewing is a real superpower, no matter what you're making. If it's a big quilt or a little sewn gift for someone, I've got videos on all of those on the channel. And if you're a beginner, I can't stress how much fulfillment you can get from just seeing that you started with a few scraps of fabric and then you made this beautiful thing. And you'll never know what you can make unless you just give it a go and try. And usually things aren't as hard as you think, and usually the mistakes aren't as big as you see them. And so that's what I'm going to try and help you to see if you want to continue watching my channel. So I hope you dig into the videos. Do drop me an email if you've got any questions for me. And I'd love to see you inside my scrap club if that's something you're looking for, or on my next video. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Bye.